Roads lead from A to B, sometimes directly, sometimes the long way round. Many roads lead to the destination, but the question is, how do you get there? Our world is built on transport and communication. People need exchange. The transport of information and goods makes this possible. We at Mercedes-Benz build trucks for just this task. We may not be the only ones, but we're working day by day towards being the best. How do we do this? By having values we live. But these values only point the way. The destination is trust. Why do we deserve this trust? Because we've been working non-stop at earning it for over 100 years. Stuttgart, 1896. In a society that moves with horses and trams, one man has a vision and discovers the future of goods transport. Gottlieb Daimler sells the world's first truck. He started with just 4 horsepower that could move a 1.5-ton load, and his customers trusted his vision. Daimler's motorized truck was the start of an unprecedented success story. Daimler wasn't the only pioneer to build commercial vehicles. His biggest competitor was Carl Benz. The engine builder and inventor founded his company in Mannheim in 1883 and started building trucks in 1900. Daimler and Benz combined forces and merged in 1926. The foundations were laid for the international success that is Mercedes-Benz. Over the years, Daimler-Benz became the world's leading truck manufacturer. The vehicles that would roll out of their factories were to make history. And 100 years after the first truck, today's new models show our understanding of tradition. For Mercedes-Benz, tradition also means progress. Why have Mercedes-Benz trucks been so successful for over 100 years? Because Gottlieb Daimler and Carl Benz were men of principle. But what principles and what values back then, as now, create trust between our customers and us? We strive above all for the highest quality, and the highest quality is like a promise. The promise of reliability. Do you know the feeling when someone says, "I'll see to it," and you know it will be taken care of? Demonstrating this reliability every day with our trucks is one of our principles and a reason for our success. But what is the deciding factor in success? It's not seeing the obvious, but recognizing the essential. When people see an ant, many first think how small it is. We are amazed at the extraordinary weight they can carry in proportion to their size. Others see in a horse only its unbridled strength. We marvel at how effectively this power is put to use. But recognizing the essentials also means that drivers looking for the retarder lever in one of our trucks will find it right where they instinctively feel it will be. It also means offering them every possible comfort. Do we do that to offer excessive luxury? No. We do it because we know that a satisfied driver will drive more safely and more economically, and that's what counts. Of course, even one of our trucks could break down. Why should our customers carry on trusting us in this of all situations? Because we will prove that no one can help as quickly and as flexibly as we can. We know only a moving truck earns money. And that applies just as much to our customers as to us. Because we've understood this and consistently live up to our values, we are successful, and our customers have given us the most valuable thing they can: their trust for decades worldwide. Be it Francisco Coronel of Cadiz, who has been delivering pumpkins with the same short bonnet truck for 40 years, or the Polish haulage company that transports several thousand tons of goods throughout Europe every day. We are here for them. Because with every screw tightened by one of us on a Mercedes-Benz truck, we give the promise that this vehicle will reliably be doing its duty decades later, after well over 1 million kilometers. Many roads lead to the destination, but the question is, how do you get there? Whether we design a truck, build it, sell it, or help customers get to their destinations, each one of us is at all times an ambassador of a long tradition of unparalleled quality and reliability. A promise was given in 1896 that people could trust the motorized trucks with the 3-pointed star. We keep this promise.